Hey guys, I'm out here duck hunting. It's teal season right now. Nothing's flying except for the mosquitoes. So I'm probably about to get out of here, but it's a good quiet place to make a video. So I figured I'd talk about something I've been thinking about out here. I've watched a lot of shotgun content on YouTube. I'm a bit of a shotgun connoisseur, shotgun enthusiast, if you will. Um, but anyways, I've watched a lot of shotgun content, and it seems like within the prepper community, which I guess the tactical community and prepper community swap over quite a bit. But most of the shotgun content on YouTube is going to be your shorter barreled shotguns, like your combat shotguns, tactical shotguns, 18.5 inch barrels, things like that. Short barrels, maybe a 20-inch barrel, some of the 590s. But it's a lot of short barrels, which is great. It's obviously a lot easier to maneuver, probably better for fighting with. I would imagine definitely better, or that wouldn't be the standard. But no shotgun combat experience here. But have used a shotgun more than the average bear. I'm a big bird hunter: turkeys, ducks, geese, doves, anything that flies and you can eat, I'll hunt it. But anyways, with that being said, back to the short barrel thing. Everybody everybody assumes if they have one shotgun, they're good to go. Which, depending on what shotgun you have and what options you have, you may be right. But I think everybody needs a shotgun as far as preppers go, for just harvesting game and just utility work that shotguns are great for. This isn't. I'm not going to try to get into the reasons why you need a shotgun. I'm just getting into the reasons why you need a long barrel shotgun. Um, Bird hunting, um, definitely you're going to want a 26 or 28-inch barrel. This is a 12 gauge kind of standard deal here. You know, you have some some unique situations going on with like 20 gauges, youth models and stuff. But anyways, this is just a standard type of thing, right? So an 870, I have a tactical 870 set up too. It's there's some other videos on it on my channel if you're interested. It's they're popular videos. But anyways, this is my old hunting 870 here. You can see that's the original coat of paint down there, and second coat of paint's wearing off and everything else. But this thing's killed almost every critter in the woods. Um, you gotta have one. And if you've only got a home defense shotgun or a tactical shotgun, you need to go to a pawn shop or a yard sale, garage sale, gun show, or even, see, you can pick them up cheap. Older shotguns, they've been in production forever. There's thousands, millions of them around. You can get a great deal on a good quality shotgun, and you can even get new ones for pretty cheap. I don't know about the quality of some of them. You'd have to do a little research and kind of find which one would work for you. Um, I'm a big fan of a pump shotgun. They fail a lot less. Out here in the swamp, I don't know. Let's see what kind of. We're out here in the marsh here, but shit happens out here. Like yesterday, I dropped my gun in the water, and I still haven't cleaned it. And I'll try to when I get home. But I got an old Winchester I need to get cleaned up too. But anyways, these things take an absolute beating, a bruising. At least mine do. A lot of them sit in a corner or a gun cabinet and never get used. And those ones still got a lot of miles on them. That's my point. These things got a lot of miles on them, and they're a tool, and you're gonna need one. And if you don't want to buy a whole nother shotgun for some strange reason, then just get you a longer barrel, a hunting barrel, because you're gonna want the ability to change out chokes, all kinds of different loads patterned differently. The ability to switch chokes is going to be paramount when it comes to collecting game of any kind. And unless you're using slugs for deer or whatever, that's a different deal. You can get a slug barrel, whatever. I don't. I'm interested in getting one myself for a Winchester I've got, but just totally not totally sold on the idea yet. But anyways, if you guys don't have you just a standard hunting shotgun, just a common 28-inch 12 gauge with removable chokes, then you definitely need to get one, even if you don't bird hunt, which you could, you know. It's a good hobby, good thing to do. Get you out in the woods, get you using gear, helps you with a lot of skills, just being around nature and wildlife, and packing all kinds of gear out into the remote areas where these types of critters like to hang out. But anyways, just bored and some useless ramblings on why I think we should see a lot more long barrel shotguns within the prepping community and on YouTube. They really have more uses and they're more versatile than the combat shotgun, which is a real specific application, which you also need one of those, I think. But this is definitely a higher priority in my opinion. This thing's beat all to hell. But anyways, yeah, I would get something like this, something totally not tactical, a Fudd gun. I would get a Fudd gun because you can do so much more with it. And if everything absolutely just, went to hell, you could cut it off legally. ATF, don't shoot my dog, but you could saw it off. You know what I mean? If just all else failed. But yeah, buy one of these first. Not everything has to be tactical. Not everything has to be high speed. You're gonna need some Fudd gear. And this is coming from a young guy. I'm not a Fudd. I have a little bit of Fudd in me, in my heart somewhere, just a little Fudd. I'm definitely not all the way Fudd. Dear God. But anyways, not everything has to be tactical, high-speed Navy SEAL shit. You need some common country boy Fudd gear. You know what I mean? If you like any of my content, go check all the other shit out. I got hunting, fishing, tactical stuff. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see, what you like, don't like, whatever. Give me a little feedback. Thank you, guys.